from the Tenderhearted Boys record as well. This is called Deadbolt, and to echo what he was just saying, you guys' support and membership here at the station and building this community means so much to the station, but also to us too. Thank y'all so much for what you do. Appreciate it. Leave the window open, let the rain blow in. Drifted off for a minute, I ain't doing that again. The jacket's in the kitchen, I've left my boots there on the floor. Everything that I was hiding, I ain't hiding anymore. Time's a lonely dancer, yes, it keeps you on your toes. It's the holiest of answers, it's the hardest one to show. You just saw right through me, like some hollow picture frame. Made something out of all this mess that I thought was just a game. It's time to put that deadbolt on the door, 'cause I can't hold this all back anymore. All these broken little shadows on the floor. You just came and swept them up, made me finally see maybe I could really be enough. You wander over to me, I hear you whispering my name. It's a perfect hallelujah in a sweet and slow refrain. Lonesome candle flickers, I watch you taking off your dress. The hardest part is over, I got no sins left to confess. So it's time to put that deadbolt on the door, 'cause I can't hold this all back anymore. All these broken little shadows on the floor. You just came and swept them up, made me finally see maybe I could really be enough. Could I really be